Today I am going to show you how to make a casio truck. You need 23 small squares and 2 cars. Let's begin. First, make a cube on top of the first car like this. And then put walls around it. Like that. And then put more squares on top of those walls. And put one more here. Now let's make the roof. Put 3 squares on top and you're done. You can put stuff inside. Thanks for watching.